G, G, G. G is for grapes. G, G, grapes.
Those are grapes, aren't they?
Yeah. What
Then,
other grapes?
These are black grapes.
Black grapes. And it's green on the inside.
This is a grape farm. These plants are called vines.
Yes.
These are the grapes growing on the vines. And look,
And here grapes. He's picking grapes.
she's picking the grapes. That's right.
Yes.
Oh, look, they've got big containers of grapes.
Yes. Big containers.
Sometimes they squash the grapes to make juice. And sometimes they put them in a box and sell them in the shop.
Yes.
And when you get them home, you wash them because you're supposed to wash all fruit.
Yes.
And then
You can eat it.
you can eat the grapes.
He's eating green grapes.
Yeah, do you like grapes?
Yeah. Grapes are yummy. G, G, G. Grapes. G, G, G. Grapes.
G, G, G. G is for gorilla. G, G, gorilla.
Look at that gorilla. He looks a bit scary, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Okay, but he's quite quiet. This is a family of gorillas. Look, that looks like a mommy gorilla cleaning one of the other gorillas. Oh look, she's lying back now for a rest.
Yeah.
There's a baby gorilla. What's he doing? He's eating something.
Banana.
Maybe, or some root. Oh, what's this one doing?
He's looking for food.
What are they doing now?
Fighting.
No, they're playing. Look, they're swinging on a swing. They're swinging on a vine or a branch.
Yeah. G, G, G. Window. G, G, G. Window.
G, G, G. G is for green. G, G, green.
Look at that. That's green ink or paint in water. Green is the color of forests and fields
And grass.
and grass. Look at all that grass. That's a meadow. And look at that. That's a farm with lots of fields. Very green, isn't it?
Yes.
That's a grasshopper.
One
That's also green. Grasshoppers are green.
frog.
That's a frog, and frogs are green. It's actually a,
Ribbit.
and that's
I'm
green.
acting like a frog.
That's a parrot. Very green, isn't it?
G, G, G. What's that, Dada?
Green.
Green.
It's the color green.
G, G, G. G is for garbage truck. G, G, garbage truck.
These men are collecting the garbage. These are two small wheelie bins, and they're dumping the garbage that's in there into the garbage truck. That's a bird's eye view. And look at this
What's
garbage truck.
this one? It's
That's-
picking up garbage.
That's right, it's picking up the garbage cans and throwing it straight in. And look at this one, this is an industrial one. Look at that, he's shaking all the rubbish out.
G, G, G.
What is it?
Garbage truck.